Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be taking you through the new updates on Tome and how to leverage on to make your presentation more interactive. As always, my name is Nasif and I make tutorial videos on softwares that could increase your productivity. If you are interested in my videos, kindly click on the subscription button, smash the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also like and comment in order for this video to reach masses. On 22nd February 2023, Tome raised a new funding, which was led by Speedlight Venture Partners to continue fueling the mission of building a robust presentation builder powered by AI. This led them to introduce new features like using Dinamo Typeface and also paraphrasing and adjusting tone in your presentation. To learn how to use these features, join me on my screen. Let's explore. Okay, so first of all, I would have to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate for promoting this channel, and also to those who are continuously using my referral links, thank you so much. And this is so far what I've accumulated. Thank you so much, and I continuously bring you the best. I really appreciate, and the referral link is actually getting me more credit, and I would surely soon start using them to make wonderful presentation for you guys to copy. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate. Shout out to everyone who is subscribing to this channel. If you are not subscribing to this channel, you are missing a lot. If you don't know how to use Tome, kindly click on the first link in the description of this video to learn more about Tome and how to use it. Okay, so I need to create a new Tome, so I'll do that right now. And yeah, this is it. I'll create an interesting topic. That is, I want to create something about the future of work. The future of work. So that is my topic, and I would want it to be in a storytelling format, and the picture should be like auto. So I'll just click on enter, and then let's see what it generates. Okay, so this is what I have on this topic, the future of work, and then it continues to that paragraph, and then the pages, yeah, the slides are here. So what I want to show you is how to use Dinamo Typeface. And using Dinamo Typeface, I would start from the first one. Okay, so I would want to use Dinamo Typeface. If you want to use Dinamo Typeface, you come here and then you click on set theme. You click here and then you click on this one. Okay, so at the first one we see Dinamo, and then we see font. So that is all. You can use these fonts. These fonts are really awesome. They are really great. Yeah. So you can choose any of them to use for your presentation. Okay. So what really is great about Dinamo is that it's able to allow you to animate your text. So Dinamo actually allows you to animate your text, but unfortunately it has not been fully implemented in Tome. For now, we only have the font to use, and I'm hoping for Tome's team to soon release the version where we can actually animate our fonts. Okay, so our next one is to use the AI edits. So we want to now paraphrase or reduce the tone, or like whatever you can put it. So in order to do that, I'll select this sentence, and then I'll see this one pop up. I'll click on AI edits, and then I can rewrite everything. Yes, so it has rewritten it for me. I would say this is more or less like a paraphrasing. I'll keep it, and then I'll come here. If I want to change the tone to any of these, yes, I can use it. So I'll just say, okay, intellectual. Yes. Okay, so I've edited it, and then I think it looks great. I can also say that this looks a little bit bulky, so let me try to reduce it to maybe about 3 lines or 4 lines. So he's trying to reduce it, and I have 3 lines. That is very cool, so I'll try to keep it. And the next one is also to extend it. I can decide to say, okay, this is too short for me, but I would want to extend it. Let's try it. Okay, so now it's very bulky, which is very bad for our presentation. So I'll take it back. And so this is more or less like if you want to really explain whatever you mean in your presentation, which is bad, which I don't recommend anyone to do, but this is also a cool feature that I think you can benefit from. Okay, so thank you so much. And to all those who are asking if you can download your presentation, for now what I'm hearing is you cannot download your presentation from Tome. You have to use it online or offline on Tome, but you can't download it from Tome. So there's no download yet. And my recent conversation with the Tome team is that they have scheduled for the release of that version next month, and so let's hope it get released. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time, and see you in our next one.